it's me, Zoey here, and today I'm going to show you my final reveal of the food jar. We still have 6 or 7 oatmeal boxes coming in, so that's going to be fun. I think it's today or tomorrow. This is so much food. I just want to thank everyone that came into this and gave us a lot of food to help other people. Thank you is not enough to say what you guys are doing. You guys are being so kind. Even in this coronavirus, you guys are still donating food for children that don't have food. And I'm just gonna have my mom zoom out to show you the final reveal, and then we're gonna show all the sections, like in one. 3, 2, 1, zoom out. Woo! This is the final reveal. You have 6 or 7 boxes coming in, so it's not the final reveal. And I can't thank you enough. This is so much food. Thank you all for participating in this and showing all your respect to other kids. This is not just helping me for my birthday, but it's helping all the other kids. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you guys so much for participating. Bye.